J had unprotected sex 6 days ago and didn't use contraception. She wishes to have a copper coil fitted, as she's heard it's the most effective method of contraception. Her next period is due in 17 days in a regular 31-day cycle. She has a strong family history of breast cancer, but no other family or past medical history of note. Which is correct. She has exceeded the 5-day window for the copper coil. She will now ovulate in 5 days' time and can have the copper coil inserted between now and 10 days' time. She will ovulate in 3 days' time and can have the IUD inserted between now and 8 days' time. She can't have the copper coil due to the family history of breast cancer, or she should have the Ulipristal pill instead. So the correct answer here is C. She will ovulate in 3 days' time and can have the IUD inserted between now and 8 days' time. That's because her next period is due in 17 days in a regular cycle. She will ovulate 14 days before that cycle starts, so she will ovulate in 3 days' time. And that means that it doesn't matter when she's had unprotected sex, you can still insert the copper coil and it will still have a 99% efficacy from whether you insert it now or up to 8 days' time. Okay, next question. M had unprotected sex 2 days ago as she missed 2 progesterone-only pills. She took the Ulipristal pill today. What advice should she be given? A. Continue the pill as normal. B. Use barrier contraception until 48 hours of pill cover. C. Use barrier contraception until the next packet starts. D. Use barrier contraception for 7 days. E. Use barrier contraception for 5 days. So the correct answer here is E. She should use barrier contraception for 5 days. And the reason for that is that she's taken the Ulipristal pill. So it will have an effect on her progesterone-containing contraceptive for the next 5 days. Now, if she'd taken levonorgestrel, it would be B, because levonorgestrel doesn't have an effect on your contraceptives, and so she would just have to comply with missed pill rules. But because she's taken Ulipristal, she should use barrier contraceptives for at least 5 days. Third question. Kay took her Micronor pill 4 hours late yesterday and had unprotected sex yesterday evening. Should she A. continue taking her pill as usual, B. take levonorgestrel and continue the pill as usual, no extra precautions needed, C. take levonorgestrel and continue taking the pills with 48 hours barrier cover, D. take levonorgestrel and continue taking the pills with 7-day cover, E. take Ulipristal and continue taking the pill with 48 hours barrier cover. So the correct answer here is C. She should take levonorgestrel because she has had unprotected sexual intercourse, because the Micronor pill has a 3-hour window. So she's missed that pill. So she needs emergency contraceptives. She should take levonorgestrel and then she can continue taking the pill as long as she has 48 hours of barrier cover, because that's in line with the missed pill rules. Now, E is incorrect, because if she'd taken Ulipristal, she should use 5 days of barrier cover. So I hope that was helpful. In summary, levonorgestrel is efficacious up to 72 hours later. Ulipristal is efficacious up to 120 hours later. But the copper coil is the most effective and can be implanted up to 5 days later and within 5 days of ovulation.